What's up, my wonderful viewers? We just landed in Puerto Plata and I have no idea what to expect. I'm taking you through the whole thing. Airport, the drive-in, and the first time I walk through those resort doors. Plus, I'll break down exactly how I booked this for cheap. Let's get into it. Immigration at the airport moves very fast. It's a smaller airport than Punta Cana, the crowds are lighter, have your passport ready, and you're through. I'm here in the Dominican Republic, I'm here in Puerto Plata. There's a form that you guys have to fill out online before you get here. It can save you a lot of time because I made one mistake on the form and now I have to fill it out back. After you go through immigration, you'll pick up your bags right here. So this is where I have to show the e-ticket form. There's a dog in the airport. Car rental counters are right inside the airport if you need them. But if your transfer is already sorted before you land, you won't even need to look at them. No thanks. The moment you step outside, taxi drivers find you immediately. We just arrived in beautiful Dominican Republic. We're not in Punta Cana, we're here in Puerto Plata, the place that nobody talks about. Puerto Plata? Nobody talks about Puerto Plata. I've been to Punta Cana, so I wanted to see a different side of this island. So let's go check it out and see if it's a good place. I'm gonna bring you guys so you guys can see what the experience is like. I like the weather so far. I always say that when I'm in the Caribbean. The weather, oh my gosh, it feels good. The heat and that breeze, that nice little breeze, yeah, it's something nice. We're outside. This is the airport. We're gonna go board our bus right there. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited for Puerto Plata. The tour company that I would recommend in Puerto Plata is Nexus Tours. So efficient, so professional, and they're reliable. They're on time. They were outside waiting on us. We're going to Viva Heavens. This is the bus that's gonna bring us to our resort. It was by Nexus Tours. Our resort, Viva Heavens, is 15 minutes from the airport. 15 minutes from the airport to the resort, and the whole drive I'm locked in on the window. You've got the Atlantic on one side, real Dominican communities on the other side. This isn't some resort bubble. This is an actual place with people living their lives. And I'm sitting in the van thinking, yeah, this is a different side of the Dominican Republic. Before you pull in, there's a golf course across the road. That's Playa Dorado Golf Course, open to the public, and it starts at $75 to play. Alright, so just arrived at the Viva Heavens. So excited to see this resort. Transfer drops you right at the front door. Smooth arrival, no stress. That's how every trip should start. We're gonna go check in for this resort. Hello. Just arrived. Gonna go get... Hello. Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Yes, amigo.
Thank you, sir.
¿No español?
No español.
Sí.
Nice dress. Nice dress. So beautiful. This is the check-in desk. Inside here is clean. That's the first thing I noticed. It's nice and clean in here. So nice, so clean. It's not too busy right now. It's not too busy. Not too much people at the check-in counter. Sorry. So we're gonna go check in now, and I'm gonna bring you guys to go show you guys the room, and I'm gonna show you the check-in process as well. Welcome drink is here. Thank you, my friend. Hola. Thank you, mi amigo. Thank you, sir. So I just got my welcome drink. Let me try it. The drink tastes really good. It tastes fruity and nice, like a tropical fruit punch. No, let me get this pineapple out the way. I like the drink. The drink is nice. I wish it was a little bit stronger. But it's nice. Let's go check in, guys. Checking in right now.
You just picked the person in charge.
My passport? Okay. Alright, so I have to give them my passport to check in.
Okay.
Here, sir. Thank you.
So,
Yeah.
can you fill out this for me, please?
The form?
Yes. Last name, first name,
Yeah.
your initials, and sign, please.
Okay.
Over here, please. Initial.
Initial? Okay, thank you, sir. Alright.
As long as you know, sir, hold tight.
Alright, thank you, sir.
Here or here?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, perfect.
Let's put it in the... All right, so we need this wristband to be identified at the resort. Thank you, sir.
My pleasure.
Appreciate it.
Let me give you your passport, please.
Where do I put my phone number?
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. That's for you.
Oh, it's for us?
Yeah.
So this is the welcome vibe at the Viva by Wyndham. It's a vibe still, it's a vibe. I like it. I like the check-in so far.
The building floor. Top floor.
Is that top floor?
For the 304.
304?
We'll give you a 2-room key. Please
Okay.
do not put it close to any magnetic device because the key can be deactivated, okay?
Pardon me?
The key can be deactivated. If you put it close, for example, your phone, the Apple Watch.
Oh, if it goes close to my phone?
Yes, please.
Oh, yeah? Okay. What's that? What, did you give us a nice upgrade? I know you worked on it.
Give a free upgrade.
Free upgrade?
Top one to the junior suite.
It's the junior suite? Oh, yeah? Oh,
Yes,
thank you,
it's
sir.
two queen bed.
Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
Welcome. Yes.
Are you going to be here all day today?
I'm leaving at 5, but tomorrow morning I'll be from 9 a.m. to 5.
9 a.m. to 5. Okay. All right. I'll come see you tomorrow.
All right.
All right. Thank you, sir.
So let me give you the room key to you.
Oh,
and
thank you
welcome
so
back.
much.
Thank you. Most welcome.
Thank you.
My pleasure. You too.
I'm heading to the room now. Just so you know, this resort doesn't have an elevator, but we're in the Caribbean. It's only 3 floors, so I don't mind. I don't mind the little exercise. Vacation, I'm feeling a vacation vibe already. That's what the Caribbean does to me. As soon as you enter, there's a couch over there. A nice little living area. It's so spacious. And then 2 double beds. So spacious. This is a junior suite. We were upgraded. Nice. We got a kit here. This is what, like a bag? Oh, there's a beach bag as well. Oh, nice. And then some little sweets. Oh, nice. I like it. Standard room bathroom, clean, good water pressure, everything you need, nothing over the top. The room comes with these water bottles that you have to fold downstairs. You're allowed to use it on the property, but you're not allowed to take it home. If you lose it, or you should ever take it, it will be $30 US. And this is the balcony. And this is our view. It's not an ocean view, but not bad. Courtyard view. The beach is all the way down there. I think the beach is like a 5-minute walk down there. And the pool is right there. So I don't think anybody have any ocean view at this resort. They give us this food plate in the room with fruits, mango, apple. I'm eyeing that mango right now. Look at this. Look at this mango. I haven't had a mango in a minute from the cat. Smells good. Sweet. Holy, this smells sweet. I'm Jamaican, so I know a sweet mango when I smell one, you know? Holy shoot. All right. Man, no delay. Mango sweet, man. We're in Puerto Plata, baby. I have to bring you guys to see Puerto Plata. Everybody always go to Punta Cana. Let's check out Puerto Plata and see what it's like. It's a good bang for your buck as well. It's cheaper than Punta Cana, just so you guys know. And this hotel, so far, I haven't seen much but the front desk and the room, and it's nice. I like it. I like the energy. I like the greeting, and I like the workers. The workers, anywhere I am, and the customer service is good, I'm happy. Mango sweet. Thank you, Viva Heavens. So excited to be here, man. I'm so excited, guys. Lobby is open air. Caribbean breeze right when you walk in. This is the Nexus Stores rep desk in the lobby. There is an ATM in the lobby and it only dispenses Dominican pesos. The resort sits in Playa Dorado, a gated beachfront community with controlled access and security. The beach is protected by a reef, so the water is calmer than most Atlantic-facing spots in the Dominican Republic. Full spa and property, treatments, relaxation areas, well put together. If you're coming as a couple or you just need to switch off, budget time for this underrated part of the resort. This section caught me off guard. Pedicure chair on real grass with a pool of small fish that eat the dry skin off your feet. I'm here with Sophia. She's one of the supervisors here at
My pleasure.
Viva Wyndham. Sophia, tell my YouTube subscribers why people should visit the Viva Heavens.
I feel like the Viva Heavens service is kind of one of the top services that are here in the Dominican Republic, because by having like a little property, we actually do give more benefits to our customers by giving them a very personalized service, and each one of our staff members is actually on training for the quality of the excellent service that we do.
Perfect.
And we've been doing like different courses as well.
Okay.
And I have to say we're really proud of our service and everything. So I feel like
The service
that
is
is the
nice.
best thing that attached the Viva Heavens itself, apart from the whole benefits of staying in the Dominican and the variety of the restaurants, the food and
Yeah.
everything. So yes, I feel like that is the main statement.
I
that
like
we do.
the service so far.
Yeah.
That's really good. It really feels personalized and homey, like family. You treat us
That's
like
what
family.
we're going for.
Yeah.
For family, but personalized in like a professional way.
And that's the best. That's the best to retain
Well,
customers.
so we can have like, different kind of people.
That's good. Thank you
like
so
that.
much.
It
Thanks
is
for
my
having
pleasure.
us.
Thank
Appreciate
you.
it. Thank you. And that's a wrap. I really hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, hit that like and share button so more people could see this video, and hit that subscribe button because in our next video we're going full resort tour, beach, restaurant and entertainment, all of it. You don't want to miss that one. How did I pull this whole trip together without the hassle? Sunwing vacations, flight, hotel, transfer and even bags are included. One package, one side, and it's budget friendly. Link in the description. Price moves fast. That's the move.